I am a teacher, dancer, performer, and creative weaver, integrating the study of yoga, dance, and Pilates. I have a deep love of nature and infuse all of my work with an organic sense of flow and energy. For over 30 years, I have traveled the world, sharing my passion for the performing and healing arts. From ancient practices to contemporary inspiration, I have motivated and taught students of all ages and abilities the pure joy of movement and the wisdom of the body potential. My name is Suzanne Grace, and I invite you to discover your own inner radiance, to create an outer transformation, and find your center with grace. Namaste.